Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Dominoes 7 here,
and this girl Brandon.
Oh, hey. So you jumping in my shot again? All right. Welcome back to the Dominoes. Well, welcome to the Dominoes 7 show live location at my car. She made me mess up. So
yes, guys.
So anyway, I'll be on my way to Comic-Con today. I gotta take a shower. What are you doing?
Just playing with this car.
Playing with this car. Leave my car alone. She playing with this Cheerios car. All right. So anyway, you're messing up my show. I'm sorry, folks. Okay.
I'm gonna have to lick them and lick you joint.
All right. So I went to Comic-Con yesterday, as y'all saw. All right.
Okay. So, it's broken, by the way. I need to fix it.
Well, let me see. It's broken. No, it's not broken. Ain't no wrong with this.
I was just faking.
You were just faking. Shut up. And let me get out of here.
Gotta fix this. I gotta get told. Because it's broken.
Alright, so anyway, as I was saying, folks, I'll be on my way to Comic-Con today to do a little something and buy some games probably. I don't know, okay? I really don't know. I'll be right back after these messages. I'm about to go finish cooking downstairs, okay? Alright.